Life, the everyday struggle for survival, is mirrored against the microscopic siege by foreign invaders upon the human immune system. Here, we see white blood cells heading towards a battle with an unknown virus. Unaware of this specific virus, the white blood cells are outclassed in this skirmish of biological combatants. The virus travels throughout the body, targeting the weaknesses of the immune system as shown here. These parts of the immune system are overcome by the invading virus and transform into a microscopic battle in a war for survival. To help combat these viruses, the body employs T cells and B cells. T cells have different roles, such as alerting the immune system to foreign invaders and killing infected cells. B cells create plasma cells, which help produce antibodies. But sometimes these lymphocytes are not enough. For dangerous viral and bacterial infections, vaccines are utilized to bolster the immune system. There are 4 types of vaccines. Live or attenuated vaccines are produced by altering the replication patterns of the virus. The disease is passed through a large number of animal embryo cultures, essentially training the virus only to replicate in the animal the embryos were sourced from. This allows the virus to be alive long enough for the human body to recognize it and build an immunity to it, but altered enough so that it cannot replicate sufficiently and harm the body. Killed or inactivated vaccines are created by the inactivation of the virus through heat or chemicals. The short-lived virus is unable to replicate, but kept intact, allowing the body to recognize the virus. Toxoids are a special branch of inactivated vaccines. In some cases, it is the toxins produced by bacteria that harm the body, not the bacteria itself. Heat and chemicals are used to deactivate the toxin, while the bacteria itself is still alive. This allows the immune system to recognize the toxin-producing bacteria and prevent future instances of toxin release within the body. Finally, subunit and conjugate vaccines are comprised of only a part of the pathogen they are designed to protect against, and are used to get a response from the immune system. Subunit vaccines are created by isolating pathogenic proteins, allowing the immune system to recognize the highlighted proteins. Conjugate vaccines are made in a similar fashion, but with bacterial coats. Now look at what happens when vaccines are injected into the body before the white blood cells approach the virus. With time, the immune system is able to recognize dangerous pathogens and neutralize these dangers before the body is harmed. Modern vaccines allow the body to adapt to the constant flux of pathogen and disease mutation, and ready the immune system to fend off the onslaught of foreign invaders. Here, we see how, with the help of vaccines, the immune system is able to produce antibodies to assist white blood cells in neutralizing the invaders. These antibodies direct macrophages to eliminate the invaders. Prevention and early awareness about pathogens and vaccinations are key in maintaining a healthy life. Vaccines are a life-changing and even life-extending miracle of medicine. Thank you for watching.